Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show interesting math problem. The math is the number of subtraction of two numbers is equal to 3/7 of this sum. If the smaller number is 6, what is the other number? Solution is we can write let the other number is equal to x, so that x minus 6 is equal to x plus 6 times 3/7, or x minus 6 is equal to x times 3 is now 3x plus 6 times 3 is 18/7, or x times 7 now is 7x minus 42 is equal to 3x plus 18, or 7x minus 3x is equal to minus 42 is now plus 42 plus 18, or 7x minus 3x is 4x is equal to 42 plus 18 is 60, so that x is equal to 60/4 is equal to 15. So the other number is 15.